Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today we're going to talk about shingling. What is shingling? Should we shingle? And I'm going to show you amazing results that I got from using this method to define my curls. But before we get into that, please join the Curl Factory family, subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. So these are my results. My curls are so defined, and the product that I used in this video is from Aunt Jackie's and it's from the Grapeseed collection. It's the ice curls, and I do have a full video using this entire range on my channel, so check that out. So this method takes very long, but it also helps with definition. And what you do when you're doing this method is you kind of find the natural curl, so exactly how thick your curl is from the root, and you smooth it out. It isn't like finger curls. You might find yourself kind of doing that technique, but you basically just find the curl and smooth it out. So you're separating each natural curl, or basically the natural way that your curls clump together. I chose to use a gel because gels work so much better for my hair and I always get so much better results. And as I said, this side is so much more better than this side here. I haven't even refreshed my hair, guys, but I'm loving this side so much. And if you want more volume, you can get that as well. But I thought I'll just show you how to use the technique. As I said, it does take very long. Find a styler that you really like. If your hair likes creams, use a cream to shingle your hair. Guys, a very quick video on what is shingling. We shingle to get definition. We shingle to clump, the natural clump of the curl. You can also use it to get more definition as well, but it's basically a styling technique. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and check out my other videos on my channel as well. Drop your comments down below. I hope you understand what shingling is now, and I'll see you again. Take care.